just noticed in the video that my false eyelash on one of my eyes is like stuck to the upper part of my eye, but I didn't notice it because I have monolids, so whenever I am looking straight ahead, my eye fat kind of tucks it in, but then whenever I blink and stuff, you can totally tell it's not situated right, and it really, really bothers me. But I don't want to refilm the video because it's kind of like an unboxing, like a first impressions and try on and everything. So I hope it doesn't bother you guys too much. I'm sure it won't, but I just wanted to say it because it really, really bothers me so much. But I hope that you guys enjoy the video regardless. And yeah, thanks Nuria for all the stuff again. Okay, back to the video. Hi guys, so today I have this big box. I did a YesStyle clothing swap with Nuria. So I'm sure you guys have heard of her. She's a YouTuber. She does a lot of beauty, fashion, and lifestyle stuff. We thought it'd be fun if we did a little box swap. I'm actually kind of nervous because she has a really good sense of style, and I worked really hard on my box. So I hope that she likes it, but I know I'm gonna like hers because she just has amazing taste. But before we get started, I'm gonna leave her channel link and her Instagram down below, and if you want to watch her video of the stuff I sent her, you can just click here. But you guys should definitely go check her out. She's so nice and super cute. She's actually from Spain, which is so cool. I had no idea when I was first like finding out about her channel, and then I started watching some of her videos in Spanish, and her voice is so pretty when she speaks in Spanish. So if you're interested in that, you should definitely go check her out. Oh, I'm so nervous. I really hope you like my box. The first thing, it looks like a button up, like, not polka dot, but like dotted top. Oh, this is so cute. It's really soft, like it kind of feels like pajamas. But this is such a cute top. I really like it. I'm definitely gonna wear these with like jeans or something. I feel like the top is unique enough that if I wore it with like jeans and sneakers, the outfit would be super cute. So what her and I did actually was we picked out clothes to make like 4 outfits. So I'm gonna try and like style all of these together. Next thing is a bag. Wow, this is so cute. It's like one of those tote bag things. Wow, I love these. I feel like when people wear these, they're super trendy. So the next item, it looks like it's a turtleneck, which is really smart because fall and winter are coming up. Wow, this is really soft. Oh, I really like this. I love the color of this too. You guys know that I'm like really into neutrals and stuff. Oh, I'm so excited. I really love like winter clothes, so this is gonna be so nice. Ooh, this is so fun. Okay, it looks like this is an accessory. Oh, earrings. She got me some cherry earrings, and then this one is heart-shaped earrings. I'll show you. They look like this. Oh, I really like it. Thank you. Oh, I feel like my box isn't as good as hers already. I'm so happy with everything so far. Ooh, she got me some socks. Wow. All right, so this is the next item. I can't really tell what it is from the bag. Oh, is this a dress? Yes! Oh my gosh, I really like this. This was so spot on. You guys know from my last Korean fashion haul, I like only bought dresses. Oh, thank you so much. You know me so well. The next item. This looks like a purse. Ooh, it's like a really simple, cute little black purse. I think this is like is this like a clutch? I'm gonna look inside. Oh, nope. Here are the strings. I'm kind of confused though, because like it comes with this thing and this thing. So I'm gonna have to figure this out later. I see polka dots. Yee! Oh, this is so pretty. It's like a, it's another black dress and it has polka dots, but it has like this little string on the kind of waist area to like cinch it in. Oh, I really can't wait to try this on. This is really cute. Oh, I see another purse. I really like the color of this purse. Ooh, this is very classy looking. Wow, I really like this. There's some straps in here for the purse, but this is so pretty. Like, I love the gold here, and this color is so nice. It looks so classy. Man, Nuria, you're so spot on with these pics. These are so nice. Okay, so here are some shoes. I really like these. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, thank you. I really like them. Oh, I love these kind of shoes. I remember so many people used to wear these, and I always wanted one, but I was just, I don't know, I was the kind of person where I didn't really like to buy shoes, but now I have one. Oh, I really like the print. A little stretchy back, which is always a good sign. Oh, this is a skirt. I really like it. Look. Oh my gosh, it's like a midi skirt. This is gonna be so cute for the fall. Oh, thank you so much. I love this. I love the colors. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like dark green and blue. Wow, this is so pretty. Okay, I'm just popping in here because I'm trying to put on this skirt. It's a little too small. Like, I know I can make it fit, but like, you can see it's a little too small for me. You know what? It still looks really cute, and thank goodness it's like stretchy back here because that's like the only reason it's fitting, but I like it. I mean, it's not too snug. Like, I can like stretch it out like that, but it definitely didn't zip on as easy as I thought it was going to. I still really like it, so I'm definitely gonna wear it, but I just thought I'd let you guys know. I just thought it was funny because I was putting it on and I was like, oh, my tummy is protruding. I think I got another pair of pants. Ooh, I like these. Oh my gosh, I feel like Nuria knows me so well. Like, all the pics are super my style. Oh, I really like this. It's super casual. And again, stretchy. All right, so the last thing that's in this box are shoes. Oh, sandals. Oh, they're so pretty. Look at them. I told you guys that I was trying to get more different kinds of shoes, and so I've been getting more sandals, and she got me some too. I like these. These are gonna be so comfortable to just slip on and stuff too. Thank you for all this stuff, Nuria. Everything was so pretty and it was so like my style. I think the thing that I love the most that I felt like was a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I really ended up liking are these shoes. Like, I don't have anything that looks like this. Oh, this was so fun. Thank you so much. And I hope that you guys liked it too. I love everything that I got. Oh, she has such good taste in clothes and style, so thank you so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Nuria's video and her channel. Thank you so much again for sending me all this stuff. I really loved everything. Anyways, I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.